Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove from a video background without using any kind of software or any tools for free, only using a website. So before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and make sure you turn on the post notification so you can get my latest upload. Alright guys, the website link you can find in the description to visit this website. So as you can see, the website, it will also work in your mobile device. So what you have to do is just upload your file. And hit open. Something like this, and also you can just create any background or you can upload your own background. I'll just go for this to show you guys. Like this, something like this. You can just simply remove the background, and after you are done you can just head over here to download your file. So this is going to be a very small video to just to show you something more new and interesting. So if this website you like, if you like my video, so please leave a like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to follow me in my all the social media, the link is given in the description, and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out. Bye friends.